My dear students, how are you? I am also fine. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty. My dear students, just last we discussed about many rules of tax. Today I am going to start same class English second paper and composition grammar.
Yes, sir.
Different types of rules we discuss about. Look at the whiteboard and attentive to the class. My dear students, there are very bad situations in whole world. Bangladesh is one of them. The coronavirus are spread all over the world and bad situation. So you should abide by the rules of World Health, abide by the rules of your parents. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Today I am going to start new class grammar. Take question. Look at the whiteboard. You write down in your khata and complete this tag question. Number 1. Play, P-L-A-Y, play, F-O-O-T, football. Number 2, we are happy. Number 3, you are not bad student. S-T-U-D-E-N-T. You are not bad student. Number 4, I am a good player. P-L-A-Y-E-R. Number 5, she does not read A-T-T-E-N-T-I-V-E-L-Y. My dear student, many rules we discuss next class, the previous class. Today you will complete the tag question. They play football. They play football. They play football. Complete this tag question. We are happy. We are happy. We are happy. Okay. We are happy. You are not a bad student. You are not a bad student. I am a good player. P-L-A-Y-E-R. She does not read attentively. She does not read attentively. Now you complete the tag question and reply me these tag questions answer. Okay? Quickly complete these 5 sentences. You They play football. Any student answer the tag question. Okay.
Don't
Any
they?
student,
Doesn't they? Don't they?
they play football. কি হবে?
Do not play. Don't they?
You use a short contraction. Not do not. Don't. Don't they. Don't they.
Don't they? Sir?
Don't they. Don't they. Don't they. Play present tense. Play present tense. Play present tense. That is why do does they does not does they will do. And they will do. Play present tense. That is why don't. This sentence is affirmative sentence. You will take question negative. Don't they. You are happy. Reply me. You are happy.
Aren't we?
Happy. My dear
Aren't we?
Aren't we?
Aren't we? Thank you. Arent. Aren't we? Aren't we? Third question. You are not a bad student. This sentence is affirmative or negative?
You.
Aren't you? Aren't you?
Are not. This sentence is affirmative or negative?
Negative, sir.
Negative.
Your tag question will be affirmative.
Affirmative.
Tag question will be affirmative. You are not. That means are you?
You.
You. Are you? Number 4. I am a good player. I am a good player.
Aren't I?
Am will be negative. Ain't or aren't. Ain't or aren't. Alternative tag question. Am negative from ain't or aren't. This sentence is affirmative sentence. Tag question will be negative. Aren't I or ain't I? A-I-N-T, ain't I? Aren't I or ain't I? Ain't I? A-I-N-T, ain't I? Ain't I or aren't I? Number 5, she does not read attentively. She does not read attentively. She
Does she?
does not read attentively.
Does she?
Does she?
Does she? Correct. Your answer is correct. You are good students. This sentence is negative. The question will be affirmative.
Question will be affirmative.
Yes, does she? Okay, fine. Thank you. Next. Those students are not understand this sentence. They question me. I shall reply you. If you do not understand these sentences, you will not understand next sentence, because one by one sentences are related any others. So you will find out next sentence. Okay. If you do not understand any sentence, you will question me, I shall reply you. Okay. Next.
Okay, sir.
Next. OPEN, open the door. This sentence is sentence, 5 kinds of sentence. They are assertive, imperative, imperative, exclamatory, and optative.
Imperative
This
sentence.
sentence is which sentence?
Imperative.
This sentence, open the door. Which sentence? Assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, exclamatory. This sentence is imperative. The previous class we discussed about this sentence. Open the door. This sentence have not any subject. Subject always you. It is not so in the sentence. Open the door. Open the door. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Tag question. Will be. Shall we? Will we? Will you? Can you? Could you? Etc. Okay? Won't you? Let us go. OUP out. Let us go out. Let us go out. Chalo, let us go out in the. Let us go out in the garden. চলো আমরা একটু বাগানে বেরিয়ে আসি. Let us go out in the garden. When any imperative sentence starting let us, always that question shall we. Always that question will be shall we. Let us.
will.
Any sentence, the imperative sentence starts let us, proposal or suggested. Let us means propose or suggested.
Understood.
When imperative sentence start let us, that question will be shall we. That question will be shall, essence double shall we.
Negative হবে না.
Okay. Okay. Open the door, will you? Shut the door. Shut the door. Complete this sentence. Shut the door. You complete this question.
Will you?
You complete this question.
Sir, will you?
Shut the door.
Will you হবে না?
Shut the door. Will you? Won't you? Can you? Any?
Yes, sir.
Can you? Will you? Won't you? Won't you? Okay. Next one. The previous class we discussed about these rules. Those students who joined the next class, they will remain. They will understand these rules or this question. Next. 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 Next Lego. Everybody likes him. Everybody likes him. Everybody, everyone, none, always. The question subject will always they.
Do they?
Yeah, they. They connect, not does. They connect do.
Do they?
Do. Likes is because they will not have does. They will does. অর্থাৎ they do, don't they. This sentence is affirmative. We remember all rules. Always remember in your mind. At first, two kinds of tag question, affirmative tag or negative tag. At first you remember this sentence is negative or this sentence is affirmative. When you will show this sentence affirmative, tag question will be negative. This sentence is negative, tag question will be affirmative.
Affirmative.
Remember you. Next, you follow the verb. Which sentence is this verb? Verb, which tenses and which form? Present indefinite. Present indefinite. Do, they does, not does. They do, don't do. Okay? Don't do. Next, none can do the work. None can do the work. My dear student, which sentence? This sentence is this sentence is affirmative or negative?
Affirmative, sir. Affirmative.
Any students reply? You very
Oh, sir, negative, sir.
thought your mind. It is negative. None.
None.
Negative. None. Negative. This sentence is negative. None. Subject will be the questions they. Subject will be always. The questions always will be they. None can do the work. Its a question will be
Can they?
can they? Thank you. Can they? Can they? THY. Many thanks all the students. They are very good students. None can do the work. At first I reply many rules again. At first, when you will tag question, at first you follow the tag from question. This question is affirmative, but it is negative. It is okay. Secondly, a verb which stands, which from. Okay. Tag, two kinds of tag, affirmative tag or negative tag. Okay. There are many rules in this here. It is the simple rules of you, my dear students. If you always with me, you will learn many things because you don't understand now. When you will next class, when you will pass the SSC exam 2022, then you will admit renowned college, then you will understand these things because you are little girl or little boy. You don't many things. So I request you any topic. If you don't understand, you will question me. I shall reply you. So I shall tell you, all students subscribe me. Then any class you will on your mobile, at first my class your mobile show. So all students subscribe my channel, like and share. Okay, my dear students. Okay. Then next, all rules, homework, there are many rules in tag questions. You will homework total rules follow 20 homework. Next class I shall tell you about your homework. My dear students, there are no so much time in my hands. Time is very short. Another class next start. So you should abide by the rules. Stay home. Study again and again. Wash your hands, legs with soap. When you will out of home, you use masks because coronavirus was spread all over the world. Today, yesterday date 2016. Okay, so we always remain neat and clean. Thank you very much, all of the students. Thank you. সবাই ভালো থাকো। Thank you. Okay.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
My dear students.
Okay, assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam. Many thanks for reply this question. Okay, thank you.